Today's highlights brought to you by Northern Prairie Auto Sales. An impromptu game against two great teams. The Red Hawks of Freud Medicine Lake taking on the Lady Spartans. First quarter close game, Red Hawks down one until Sweet Caroline Christopherson knocks down the triple from the right wing. Freud Lake leads 10-6 after one. Second quarter, more hot shooting from Freud Lake. Dasani Nesbitt finds Jaylee Davidson and she buries the three. Red Hawks lead 17-14 at the break. Marching back come the Spartans. Gracie Leckvold, hindered with 3 fouls from the first half, strikes a 3 from the wing, giving Scobie the lead. Later on, Leckvold finds Cara Slam open and she's not shy. She tickles a twine from 19-9. Spartans by 10 and they go on the win by a score of 42-28. Now you can watch this entire game for free at www.nemont.tv or any of these streaming devices.